For the man also knower not his time as the fishes that are taken in an evil net, and as the birds that are caught in the snares, so are the sons of men snared in an evil time, when it fallen suddenly upon them. In Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse 12 describes, man does not know again his time, and like a fish in a net or birds in a trap, people are suddenly caught in a time of evil or tragedy that they could not predict. The verse highlights the unpredictability of life and the sudden, unexpected nature of death or misfortune, emphasizing that these events can fall on anyone without a warning. We don't know what happened next, guys. We cannot. Sometimes it's truly happen that there's no any warning. It suddenly happened. Key themes and meaning. Unpredictability of life means the core message is that humans are not in control of their fate. Life is full of unforeseen circumstances and sudden events. Suddenness of death or tragedy. Imagery of fish in a net and birds in a snare illustrates how people can be unexpectedly ensnared by a dark cloud or evil time that falls upon them without warning. Lack of human foresight. People are unaware of their own future or the specific time of hardship, love, or hate that awaits them. Common destiny. This verse within its broader context in chapter 9 points out that a common destiny of death and uncertainty affects anyone, regardless of righteousness or wickedness. In the broader context of Ecclesiastes 9, the passage argues that time of chance happened to them all, meaning success is not solely dependent on one's ability or wisdom, and good people are not immune to bad fortune. Yes, it's really true. Because life is uncertain and unpredictable. Ecclesiastes encourages people to live in the present, to find joy in daily life, and to work diligently, as there is no conscious activity in the grave. A fish does not know the end is near when it becomes tangled in a net. When we rely on ourselves for decision making, we are like fish, unknowingly caught in the snare of a sinful lifestyle. We cannot depend on our wisdom to evade the snare of sin. We must continue to seek the Lord for knowledge, strength, and faith to avoid dangerous traps. He loves us unconditionally. He loves us, guys, unconditionally, and is always available when we call upon Him. Who believe that? We should believe that, guys. Let's trust Lord. He loves us unconditionally. Dear Father, we are quickly and unknowingly trapped by sin. We seek our wisdom and strength as we maneuver sinful obstacles throughout our earthly lives. In Jesus'